Largest pigeon. Victoria Crown Pigeon. I can see why they call it a crown.
It's very fancy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
A lot of people mistake them for peacocks. Right? Step up, step back.
Wow.
Oh, what you got? Oh my goodness. That stick, yeah? Just trying to find a place to put it.
How you doing there, feller?
Mom,
Gonna give it to me?
See, just stay completely still and he'll drop it at your feet.
Look, he likes you.
See, there we go.
It's a pretty awesome pigeon. All right, to the next
It's a very
episode.
fun